This is the rare magic show that I will bring to you. But first, I like this design I did last night. I really like that design I did last night. Right there on my floor. I also like that design. But right now it's about the magic. Think I went away and I changed something? What I actually did is I reconstituted everything. Those onions in there, I mean, cooking, they should tell us. When they cook, they should tell us about the onion. What happens to that onion? Can I say under the oil I started it with, I added no water, but I just put the temperature just at the right temperature. Of course, you might have to move things around. It's all trial and error until you know exactly what's happening, right? And I put it under like, there you go, turtle, go to sleep, turtle. So what's the turtle all about? I don't know, a handle? Maybe something to look under the cover. I don't know. What's it all about? It's a sunshiny day. It's a sunshiny day. Have a nice day. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Can you see the white I added? There's one kind of wolf. I don't like that shadow in the background. Hey, I got a light here. The light is blocking my shadow. There you go. You got like a couple of different kind of animals there. Put a little white on that. I like that picture of the storm. Ooh, what a crazy storm that is. You have to try to figure out what's where, eh? The fence, the whirling winds, the water coming from the top. Depends how you look at the design. Or you can look deep in the background to the buildings. Deep in the background to the buildings over there, or the orange sun to the top corner left, and just below it is the white with the blue. It's the waterfall, the lines. Anyways, Raphael 7286 and a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching this video.